Welcome to our first technical interlude. I've decided it would be beneficial to get our hands dirty and demonstrate some practical programming solutions that will help you all achieve your goals. As we can see, we're using Unity 3D for creating our game, which is arguably the best choice when you're starting your journey in game development. This episode will cover one of several approaches to solving internal communication between different scripts in our game. My proposed solution is simple and functional, working effectively with scene objects, instantiated prefabs, and dynamically loaded scenes. Although it uses a mechanism that has somewhat of a notorious reputation, I argue that using it judiciously and in moderation offers more advantages than disadvantages. And that mechanism is the static global singleton class. Let's start by creating our game's central game object named root. We'll create a script with the same name. In this script, we'll remove everything else and implement our singleton magic. The root class will now have a static variable accessible from any other class in our project. Right after creating the object containing this class, we assign its instance to this variable, and we're done. Now we can define our first test variable that will be globally accessible. We'll create an example test class to demonstrate access to the global test variable. In one place, we'll set it to value 10, and in another test class, we'll output its value. I understand this is very basic, but we need to start with such fundamentals. It's one of the first architectural decisions for our game. See you in the next episode.